Scandinavian Cone Company manufactures ice cream waffle cones and waffle products for the Australian, New Zealand and international markets. Originally we acquired this business in 1996 on the Gold Coast, Australia. We moved here to Mperia soon after. We originally were focused on Australia, and since then we've grown to become one of the largest manufacturers of ice cream cones in Australia, New Zealand and the international markets. We currently use Matthews for carton printing and label making. We have 3 Matthews Carton Inkjet Printers, including a recently installed Mperia L12. We've relied upon Matthews for our printer needs for 20 years. We find the Matthews equipment to be effective and reliable, and allows a small growing business to match a solution to the needs in its company's life. The Mperia L12 was perfect for our needs. It's a low-cost, high-definition solution that was simple and easy to self-install. We chose Matthews because of our existing relationship and experience with Matthews, which can only be categorised as one of being a fast, professional service and quality equipment.